Hello children, how have you been children? I am your English literature teacher Mrs. Anita Jaiswal, and we are going to have an English literature class. I hope you have been studying in your holidays. So you have been given the first 3 lessons. Now today we will begin with the first lesson, that is Sunday. I will give you an explanation of the lesson. Sunday is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a poet, author, playwright, polymath, painter, and a composer of music and songs. His most famous writing include Ghoda and Ghore Baire. He was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize for Literature for his collection of poems Gitanjali. And he is also known to you children as he is the writer of our famous national anthem. So here we are with the poem. The weekdays come so fast and thick, how do they travel to reach so quick? But why does Sunday take so long, behind the others trudging on? Now this is a question. It is a question by a small child. As you can see the small child over here, he is asking. The weekdays come so fast and thick. The weekdays. Now what is the weekdays? The weekdays are all the days of the week. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So there are 6 days. 6 days are the weekdays and they come one after another. That is why they are thick. How do they travel to reach so quick? So the child is asking, how do they travel to reach so quick? They come so quickly. But why does Sunday take so long? So all these days they come so quickly, but Sunday takes so long. Behind the others trudging along, as if it is so tired and it is walking slowly with heavy steps. So इस पोएम में हम लोग देखते हैं कि एक बच्चा जो है वो पूछ रहा है वीकडेज यानी कि सप्ताह के बाकी के 6 दिन. बाकी के 6 दिन कौन से होते हैं? मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, सोमवार, मंगलवार, बुधवार, बृहस्पतिवार, शुक्रवार और शनिवार. ये सब सारे के सारे बहुत जल्दी आ जाते हैं और एक दूसरे के बाद आते हैं. ये इसलिए थिक है क्योंकि एक साथ ये सब आते हैं. हाउ डू दे ट्रैवल टू रीच सो क्विक? और ये किस तरह से यात्रा करते हैं जो कि इतनी जल्दी पहुंच जाते हैं. बट वाई डज संडे टेक सो लॉन्ग? लेकिन संडे जो है वो इतना समय क्यों लगाता है? बिहाइंड द अदर्स ट्रजिंग अलॉन्ग, वो धीरे धीरे आता है, भारी कदमों से आता है और इन सब के पीछे आता है. द वीकडेज आर एन अनकाइंड लॉट, टू गो बैक होम दे हैव नो थॉट. बट वाई इज संडे सो परस्यूड दैट शी स्टेज हाफ द टाइम शी शुड? यहाँ पे बच्चा पूछता है द वीक डेज आर एन अनकाइंड लॉट. नाउ ये अनकाइंड